Hi, it's me.
Hi, it's me. Today we're gonna do a quick rehouse of my Grammostola pulchripes since he is growing so fast. So I got him a new enclosure and wow, I look red. Oh well, anyway. So this is my new enclosure for my Grammostola. Let me bring some light. So this is how it looks, and this is the new setup, and I don't know if you can see, but I was doing a long burrow, so it can burrow there, and you can actually see it, the hole on the side here. So if I wanna look, and if he doesn't web it on, then it would be perfect. And I always want to have this cheesy skulls, and now I have it. So let's move this boy. So I don't really know how to do it, but I have my cup. I will try to get him, and you can see nothing. Maybe if I turn this way, so you can see the action from the side. Well, so let's try it. I will try him, look him out to this. Oh, they are so slow. I will try to get him out. Where are you going? Where are you going? Friend? Yes, you're going right way. Come on. I got your new house. Come. Oh, he's so nice. Doing nothing. Come, friend. Come. You will get food later. Come on, come on. Yes. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come, yes. So good. Oh, that went so good. Oh, yeah. Oh. My friend Rick gave him by mistake. No, don't go back, don't go back, don't go back. Go inside, go inside, go inside. Yes, yes. Almost, almost now. Don't be shy, don't be shy. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Oh, can you see this silk? Oh my god. The silk is so pretty. And oh, that's too much light. So I don't know how long time that will take. Oh, he's so pretty. I have to get the water ball. Oh wow. Wait. You can see the entrance inside. And it's long burrow. As long as you can go. And maybe if I can you see the light in the skull? Yeah. I'm a sneaky one. I wanna see what he's doing. Oh well. I will update you on that. So that was my rehouse. Thank you for watching. I hope you did enjoy. I hope you did enjoy my setup. and I see you in my next video.